So this next group is three ladies who currently work at SPJMR. They're employed here and they have gone through this program, and we will just hear from them and their stories and the power of Abhyuday. Yes? So I will start with, who was I going to start with? Amruta. So Amruta, you are from batch 2. She's from the second batch. And she currently works in the HR department here at SPJMR. And Amruta, you know, when she was brought into this program, the then director of this program said something very important to her family. So I want her to share that piece and that what has taken her through this.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you so much for having me here, Aarti ma'am and Abhyuday team and all of you. So when it comes to Abhyuday and my story, I name it as freedom of my mother. And second is me, someone who's got impacted. So I'll just take you through a quick my interview process back then in 2009. Then was Professor Ruqayyah Joshi, who was the chairperson of the program. So I was called, some of the staff from Abhyuday team had come to our school and they had selected us based on our interests, qualification, and then one day we had come to SPJMR for an interview. So first of all, it was compulsory for both the parents to be present. So my dad, my mom, and I was part of that interview along with the chairperson. She looked at my file, she took my interview, she was very happy and everything was going positive. And then she asked, one of the questions that she asked my parents is, what do they do? So my dad is a ladies tailor. He stitches all the Indian clothes at home and then he picks up and drops to the client place. And my mom was a homemaker. So she said, you're asking for your daughter a scholarship over here and you're having a resource sitting at home. Why should I support your daughter to grow ahead? So my dad, we kind of come from a conservative family. We both are girls in the family, but my dad was completely different with two of us. We could roam around anytime. We could do whatever we want, whether it was a karate or a dance or playing with boys. But when it came to my mom, he said no to her a normal freedom and also to a financial freedom. So she was forced to stay at home without giving a choice. So that back then Professor Ruqayyah Joshi said, if you want your daughter to have a scholarship, I have a condition that your wife will work. If you don't want your wife to work, please take your daughter home. And I remember my dad, he's an Indian male. He had a huge challenge of his life, but without thinking for even 10 seconds, he said yes, so that I could pursue my education and do something better and be independent. So that's where I call it my mom's freedom. She started working after 11 years after her marriage. Her salary was 700 rupees per month. And more than me, she's the one who's grateful to Abhyuday. Thank you so much.
So I'll move to Siddhi. Siddhi is from batch, I have to always remember this, it's batch 5. And she is also, both from a Marathi medium school. And, she always told me I was very shy. I was always sitting in the back of the class and I was never sure if I will ever make it in the selection process. And so today she is working in the PGDM online program department here. And I'd like her to share a little bit about how she came out of that shyness.
My name is Siddhi Sawant. Thank you so much to give me this opportunity to speak. And as ma'am mentioned, I used to be very quiet and shy girl. So with the Abhyuday learning, and as Pratik mentioned earlier, this is our second home. So the support of our team, Alkatai, Ajay Dada and Shehnaz Did and everyone. So I somehow taught to express my thoughts ahead, and now I can be self-assured. And it's been 1.5 years now I'm working with the SPJMR, PGDM online team, and my team is also supportive, and they have given me a different tasks to do individually, and this individual task makes me more confident, and this experience is helping me to ever grow more. Thank you.
Ruchita is from batch 4. And
Graduate from this university?
no, they're from our Abhyuday program. Then they went on and did their own education, and then they've been employed now by SPJMR. Our dream is to have one of our sitaras go through the PGDM program. It's in the works. Hopefully soon we will have one of our sitaras also be a mentor.
To start teaching the piloting.
Yes, yes. So Ruchita is from batch 4 and is also employed here. And Ruchita has had many challenges, and I think we've just been there every step of the way. So Ruchita, just share a little bit about your journey.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Thank you ma'am for giving this opportunity to share my experience. So I also selected in Abhyuday in 7th standard. So in my life there are tough difficulties I have faced. After my first visit in 7th standard, I lost my father. And my mother raised me and my brother solely, and I completed my graduation doing part-time job to help my mother financially, because we are not stable financially. Then me and my brother both are doing well, and my mother is happy that both the children are growing well and everything was going fine. But the last year was very tough for me. I lost my brother, and I also lost my mother also. And in this time, Abhyuday and SPJMR supported me and strongly standed behind me. So I'm sitting here with the smiley face because of all of them. And my mother told me that I am her strong girl. So I lost everything, but I'm unstoppable now.
So these are our alumni, and thank you, 3 ladies, for sharing your stories. Each one is different, but there's that common bond of the Abhyuday and the SPJMR support that we have in this program. So thank you.